Welcome everyone. Today I will be showing you how to superimpose structures using InteractiveROSETTA. This process is actually pretty simple, so this tutorial will be rather short. Anyway, let's demonstrate how to do superimposition. Superimposition is the default protocol that is loaded when you start InteractiveROSETTA, but if you need to get back to superimposition, you can select it from this protocol's menu and click the Go button. The first thing we need to do is load at least 2 PDF files, so let me get a copy of 2 PDF files that should superimpose fairly nicely. Here is the first structure. And here is the second structure. If we zoom out, we can see that these two structures are rather far apart right now. Let's fix that using superimposition. Superimposition assumes that you only want to superimpose the models that are selected. As usual, if nothing is selected, it is assumed that everything will be superimposed. First, choose which model will act as the base for superimposition from this menu. The base model is fixed during superimposition and all other models will be superimposed on top of the base model. This first row of options allows you to specify which residues will be superimposed. If by model is selected, then all residues in all models will be considered during superimposition. If by residues is selected, then the superimposition is performed only considering the selected residues. Let's go with by model first. The second row specifies which atoms will be aligned. You can choose from C-alpha atoms and backbone atoms. When you are ready, click the Superimpose button. Now you can see that the second structure was moved to be aligned to the first structure, just as we had wanted. Also, a curious phenomenon has occurred in the sequence window. You can see that the superimposed sequences are now aligned in a multiple sequence alignment. To get back to the original sequences, click on the Align button over here to go back to index numbering. This widget over here shows the pairwise backbone RMSD values for each model pair. I should point out that you are able to superimpose more than 2 structures at a time if you so desire. What if I had wanted to align only by a certain substructure in both of the proteins? Well, I could go and select that specific substructure and align by residues only. The whole structures will still be aligned, but InteractiveROSETTA will attempt to minimize the RMSD of the selected residues only. Click the Superimpose button when you are ready. Now you can see that the superimposition is a bit different, since I only superimpose by the selected residues. This value over here corresponds to the RMSD of the highlighted residues only. Anyway, that's all there is to superimposition in InteractiveROSETTA. See you in the next video.